Hello people! Today Bluedio sent us one of their products for us to unbox and review. Big thanks to them for this opportunity. These are Bluedio T7 Wireless Headphones with active noise cancelling. Let's check them out. The color of the box matches the color of the headphones. Simple but good design. But as always, box gets little bit damaged and wrinkled during shipping, so let's just ignore that. On the front you can see the Bluedio company logo, name of these headphones, and of course visual representation of the product. You can find specs of these headphones on both sides of the box. Information is in multiple languages. On the back there's some info about the main features like rechargeable battery, ANC, and information about buttons. Now let's dig in, because we are here to check out the headphones, not the box. First thing that greets us is headphones themselves. From the first look they look very cool and stylish. And it also looks like the ear pads only move sideways. Then we can find a small box with accessories, and then our good old manual. As always, it's filled with most important information in multiple languages. Accessory pack includes storage bag for these headphones. You can see that they perfectly fit in a bag. And of course there are no wireless headphones without charging cable, which in this case is USB Type-C. We can also find a rarely seen before USB Type-C to 3.5mm cable. Headphones themselves look very nice and stylish. They don't feel cheap. Headband can be adjusted to your liking or head size. Earpads are big, maybe that's because they're over-ear headphones. And also earpads are very soft and comfortable. Alright, now let's talk about some good and bad things about this product. These headphones surprised us because you can get so many features for only $40. And they also have active noise cancelling. Also, what's very cool is that the audio automatically stops playing when you take off the headphones, and it continues playing when you put them back on. We have never seen such feature before, even on 4 times more expensive headphones. The USB Type-C charging socket is a good choice. It is more durable and is the future. ANC works very well, even though it could have been better. But let's remember how much these wireless headphones cost. Storage bag is also very welcome. These headphones also have so-called sleep feature, where headphones will automatically shut down when you don't move for 10 minutes. Very useful if you fall asleep while using them. Sound is very good for such price, and bass is also very boom shakalaka. One of the bad and also good things is that these headphones by default are not very loud. That's because child or protection mode is turned on. If you want to make them louder, you have to download Bluedio app and change from protection to normal mode. This feature is also a good thing because you can protect children or yourself from loud music. Headphones also lack aptX and aptX HD support. And that's probably all. If you wish to check these headphones yourself, then links to Bluedio T7 will be in the description. Once again, thanks to Bluedio for this opportunity to try out their product. And also thank you for watching. If you have any questions, then feel free to write them in the comment section. If you wish to support us, then smash those like and subscribe buttons. Thank you, and I'll see you later.